In the first attempt, the rain was not too heavy, so it only makes the soil wet. There is no water that I can measure in the first day. And after one day in my second attempt, we experienced heavy rain, so I came back after the rain stops, in the same area that I show in my first video. And there is a slight flood, so I measure it using ruler, and it has 2 centimeters of water. Therefore, if there's a heavy rain here every day, the water level possibly increase 2 centimeters and up every day.